Hello.
Hi Sachin, hello.
Hi Nidhi. Vidhi Malik. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also great. Where are you from?
Uh, I'm from UP.
Uttar Pradesh.
Yes.
Yes,
And where are you from?
I'm also from Uttar Pradesh.
Oh, nice. Are you professor?
No, I'm not a professor, but I want to become a professor.
Oh, that's why you write here, professor.
Yes. So, which district do you come from?
District is Muzaffarnagar. Where are you from?
I'm from Bulansar.
Oh, nice. Hey, we are neighbors.
Yes.
And what tell you about this application?
I joined
Tell
recently
you.
this application
I asked to you who said to about this information.
because I searched on YouTube what is the best
Oh,
application
from
for
you.
learning English and practice for native speakers and non-native speakers. So I found it from YouTube. And what about you?
Okay.
How did you get to know about this
Uh,
application?
through my friend.
Okay.
Yeah, he's tell me about this application when Vidhi you want to improve your English, you can use the Episodian to learn this. And how much time you give to this application
In
in
a
a
day?
day?
Yeah, when I'm free, that's why then I use this application. Not too much time.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me about your education or what you are doing
Yeah, I'm
right
pursuing
now.
graduation. I'm pursuing graduation from Aligarh University.
Okay. Are you living in Aligarh or in Bulandshahr? It's your regular or private?
Yeah, it's regular because I come from Bulansar because Bulansar is my district. But I live nearby
No, I
Narora.
I asked.
I live in
Okay,
nearby Narora. Do you know about Narora? Narora Atomic Power
no,
Station.
I don't know about.
Because Narora
No,
is
I don't
famous
know
for
about it.
whole world.
Okay, but I don't know about it, Sachin. And since when have you been using this application? From a month or from a week or from a year?
No. I told you many times. Recently, I joined this application only 2 days ago.
Oh, sorry. It's my mistake. If you give your 20-30 minutes to this applications, it's too much better your English in a month or in a. I also joined 1 month ago.
Hmm. So, are you improving yourself day by day?
I don't know, but I can speak with any other peoples, any other country people.
Okay.
It's totally depend on other person, which who I talk to. That's I can understand better. I can speak better.
Okay. So,
Sometimes
hmm.
I miss this applic. Some days I don't use from my busy schedule because I'm pursuing my master's degree
From where?
and too much active.
From where?
It's Galgodia University.
From
Galgodia
Noida.
University,
Noida. Okay.
Noida.
Hmm.
Yeah.